Thank you for joining Wars of the Roses. And this is Hourglass, from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Hourglass, an emblem connected with the third degree, according to the Webb lectures, to remind us by the quick passage of its sands of the transitory nature of human life. As a Masonic symbol, it is of comparatively modern date, but the use of the hourglass as an emblem of the passage of time is older than our oldest known rituals. Thus, in a speech before Parliament in 1627, it is said, "We may dandle and play with the hourglass that is in our power, but the hour will not stay for us, and an opportunity once lost cannot be regained." We are told in Notes and Queries, First Series 5, page 223, that in the early part of the 18th century it was accustomed to inter an hourglass with the dead, as an emblem of the sand of life being run out. There is in Sir John Soane's museum, Lincoln's Inn Fields, London, a manuscript account book of 1614 through 1641, once owned by Nicholas Stone, Mason to King James I and Charles I, which on the title page has the following written note: "In time take time while time doth last, for time is no time when time is past." A few sad and studious lines, written in his Bible by Sir Walter Raleigh, are found in Cayley's biography of him, Volume 2, Chapter 9. "E'en such is time, which takes in trust our youth, our joys, and all we have, and pays us naught but age and dust, which in the dark and silent grave, when we have wandered all our ways, shuts up the story of our days, and from which grave and earth and dust the Lord will raise me up, I trust." Longfellow, in his Sand of the Desert in an Hourglass, has written thus: "A handful of red sand from the hot clime of Arab deserts brought, within the glass becomes the spy of time, the minister of thought. An hourglass is in the possession of the lodge at Alexandria, Virginia, of which our brother George Washington was master. That old treasure, a measure of the flying moments, well exhibits the changing methods brought about in time." Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Roses. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.